Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Aline and in this channel we share a lot of tips about food and things to do here in Ontario, in Canada and also beyond. And today I'm here to share with you a PR package that I received from Taco Bell. So let's go! So today's video is gonna be delicious. Taco Bell launched a new meal kit and sent me this box to try everything, so you can find it in the grocery store near you all across Canada, but I have no idea what they sent me to try, so let's open this package together. Bring home the Taco Bell. Taco Bell is now making it easier for you to have their flavors at home. They just launched a new product line called Taco Bell at Home that includes sauces, seasoning, and a variety of meal kits. These kits are already available in grocery stores across Canada, so you can grab one and recreate your own Taco Bell taste whenever you want. They're really cool. And I'm so excited to open this box and see what they sent me to taste. So let's see what we have inside. So the first thing that we have here is a Crunchwrap Supreme craving kit. You need to add your own protein and toppings of choice. The kit includes 4 12-inch flour tortillas, cheese filling, 4 crunchy tostada shells, and taco seasoning. Look the size of the box. I'm so excited to try this one. I think this one is my favorite when I go to Taco Bell. Usually is the Crunchwrap that I order, but there's more things here. Taco Bell seasoning that you can put on your protein. So for example, here there's some instructions. You can use a ground beef and then mix everything with this package. Okay, what else? I'll leave this for last. We have a chipotle creamy sauce and a mild sauce, all from Taco Bell. Oh my god! I'm gonna use it right now to cook something and try our new kits. Okay, so now I also received here a flyer with some instructions for Chipotle Steak Crunchwrap Supreme. I will grab these ingredients and make a recipe on my own. So instead of steak, I will use chicken because I already have chicken here. It's already shredded, so I will just put this seasoning mix on it and create my own Crunchwrap Supreme for you. So come with me. Okay, so let's start. I'm ready with my apron, and I have here some chicken with corn, cheese, and the Taco Bell seasoning. I'm gonna start putting the chicken in the frying pan with a little bit of the seasoning and olive oil. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this too, the chipotle. Meanwhile, let's open this box together so we can see what we have inside. More seasoning. Oh, nice. This is a kind of sauce. Cheesy fillings to put on top. Perfect. And we have here some tortillas. This is the hard one. And look the size of this one. So this is the big tortilla. Here in the box, you can also learn how to fold it correctly. All right, chicken is ready. It smells delicious. For sure, this flavor gave it an extra punch to it. So now let's build our Crunchwrap Supreme. Okay, so let's assemble the tortilla with me. Look at the size of this tortilla. Now, the first step is to put a little bit of the protein in the middle. So I'm putting here the chicken. Next step, I'm following the instructions on the box. Next thing, this cheesy filling on top of the tostada. So let me put it here. This is the tostada. Cut a little bit here. And look at this cheese. And then just spread here. Okay. Next step, I will put this on top like this. So I have here sour cream. And I will put here on top. While I do this, I will just embrace the opportunity to tell you, if you like this video, give you a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next food and travel adventure. Next step, a little bit of tomatoes and cheese. So let me put this here, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese also, because I'm a cheese lover. Okay, so now the final part, it's time to fold. So first, you do this. First step, bottom edge of the flour tortilla up to center. And then number 2, like this. Number 3, like this. And then step 4, step 5, and step 6. And you feel that is heated already. You put the parts that you fold down, so this way. All right, now it's just wait until it's sealed and then turn to the other side and it's ready to eat. Ready to see inside? Let's move it here so we can cut. Let's see if we can hear the crunch. Wow, it smells so good. Can't wait to try it. Okay, so now we have our Crunchwrap Supreme, and to try it, I'm gonna put one of their sauces. I'm gonna try with this one first. It's really good, and it's funny because I can taste Taco Bell. The smell is the same. Oh my god. And that's it for today's video. The Crunch Supreme wrap turned out so good. It is so close to the real Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. It was delicious. Big thank you again for the PR team at Taco Bell for sending me this cute package. I love the apron and the taste was incredible. If you're curious where to find a kit like this to buy, you can check the grocery store close to you. They are selling now all across Canada, so you can try it also. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you already tried Taco Bell home kits before, or if you're interested in trying it out. Follow us for more adventures. See you in the next one. Ciao!